BNB. Look, BNB is inevitably going to have a good year. It already has had a good year. The actual activity on the BNB chain is through the roof. It's crushing every other blockchain right now. And I think we're going to see, sooner or later, see a BNB ETF. It's just when. So let's talk about what this can hit this year. Now, before I get into it, if you are new here, the spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these cryptos. These were all coins that I thought could do really, really well and make a lot of money. These are what these coins were worth when I recorded and released my videos. These are the highs. These coins hit around about 16 months on, and these are what your profits would have been if you'd popped $100 into these coins. If you'd done that for all of them, you'd have made over 123 grand in that time. Now, the thing is you don't have like 16 months to get things sorted. We're in a bull cycle right now. Bitcoin is trying for new highs. Soon, altcoin season will kick on. If you've got cryptos you're not confident in, get on to copymycrypto.com. This is the site I run where I share all the coins that I own with my members. Whenever I find a crypto that I think is going to make a ton of money, I jump onto my site. I tell my members about the crypto that I'm going to buy and the price that I'm going to buy it at. So my members can get in on the same crypto, the same price. Whenever I sell a coin, I tell my members the coin I'm selling and the price I'm selling at. So my members get in and out of crypto, same price as me, so they make the same profit. If you go onto the site, you'll see some of the profits my members have made. You'll see some of my past successes. You'll see the members' testimonials on the service they get at Copy My Crypto. This is all public record. You can verify it all on the history of this channel. But read through the site, watch all the videos and verify it. And if you like what you see and you want to find out more, you want to find out what I expect the market to do on any given day, because I always release a video. If you simply just want to find out the winners of this bull cycle, all you have to do to find out about them is join up on the site, guys. Now, BNB. So obviously it's had a good year. I mean, it's not that long ago it was at its all-time high. It hit an all-time high of just shy of $800 in December. So about 7 months ago. BNB is obviously the crypto that fuels the BNB chain. It is also a centralized exchange token. Now, BNB functions as a strategic reserve asset and plays a critical role in the BNB executive total value lock campaign, which drives forward the growth of the ecosystem along with incentivizing adoption. Like I said, it was originally an exchange token. It was designed to offer trading fee discounts and other utilities on the Binance platform. And then, of course, they built the BNB chain and pushed and pushed and pushed. And now it is, a huge chain in its own right. They have an auto burn system that is gradually reducing the total supply down to 100 million BNB as well. Originally, it was like 200 mil, so they're trying to push it down and down and down. But we are seeing numbers on BNB that are staggering right now. I mean, it's actually really, really, really impressive. Obviously on all the big exchanges, except Coinbase, which is odd. I still find that really odd that they're not on Coinbase. The BNB Treasury Company aims to offer US investors regulated access to BNB and pursue a public stock exchange listing. Now, that was always something that I kind of expected we would see Binance do. Kraken-backed finance launched tokenized equities on the BNB chain for 24/7 trading outside the US markets. Again, we are consistently seeing development surge along with partnerships surge along with trading through the goddamn roof on the BNB chain. I mean, look at this. Binance Smart Chain right now, $6 billion a day. The Binance chain is locked down over 40% of the trading volume on a daily basis across all the chains, because you've got 38% here, we've got 2.2% here, and I'm sure there's some smaller percentages knocking about. But volume-wise, I mean, it's staggering. They are absolutely they're meteoric right now, like the volume that we're seeing. This is really ever since CZ kind of put out a tweet, which really spoke of the sort of push forward in development. And we can see the BNB Chain Explorer. You can see the net activity on any given day. Total transactions counter is absolutely through the roof now. So 3. So yeah, I mean, again, so it's, but this beacon chain, by the way, has been shut down since 2024. The BNB chain, though, if you want to have a look, you can start having a little dive round. But the net growth here has been nothing short of spectacular. Nothing short of spectacular. We are seeing crazy numbers starting to flow through this. If you want to have a look at the DApps that are up and running on BNB, there are absolutely tons. And again, you know, they're always, I mean, ecosystem jobs, you know, they're always hiring. And why wouldn't they be hiring? They are, I mean, this is attached to effectively the biggest exchange in the world, right? So BNB Smart Chain, total transactions every day, 14 mil, 13 mil, 12 mil. They're doing numbers. That's daily transactions. These are the DApps as well, and you can see the amount of transactions on some of the DApps. So World of Dippians, it's doing 4.67 million transactions during the selected time. What's the selected time? I assume that's 7 days. Oh yeah, 7 days. So be even 24 hours. Let's go. 662,000 on World of Dippians. Doing good numbers, man. Really good numbers. You got OP, BNB. I mean, again, very good numbers on a consistent basis. And let's be honest, look, you know, they're starting to introduce stocks. They're starting to introduce, with Kraken and Back Finance launching the tokenized equities on BNB. Again, it increases the amount of trading that's going to be going on outside the US markets 24/7. Again, you know, we knew we were going to end up seeing this. There's also, what's this? Nano Labs invest 50 million in BNB, eyes 1 billion in treasury. So again, we're seeing huge investment. I think we're going to end up seeing BNB as well be heavily invested in by your BlackRocks sooner or later. At the moment, BlackRock seem to have and Grayscale seem to have their main focus around Bitcoin, around Ethereum. BNB is going to be is going to be just behind that. Right now, yes, ETF-wise, we're looking at XRP, Solana, and Litecoin as the three most probable. BNB is going to end up happening. And if it doesn't, it will be down to the fact that maybe Binance becomes simply a US stock. But right now, future looks really bright. If this volume just continues happening over the next few months, or for the remainder of this year, there's no reason BNB doesn't start smashing up to new all-time highs. I think $1,000 is nailed on. I think there is absolutely a world that this could get to $2,000. I absolutely do, because do not forget, yes, there's $6 billion of trading volume on the BNB Smart chain, but Binance itself doing $20 billion a day in trading volume just on spot. They're doing 83 billion a day in derivatives, 100 billion a day. BNB is a beast. So can it get to $250 billion? Abso-friggin-lutely, because they are ruling the roost right now. BNB, like Binance, no one's going to overtake. They're just not. And in terms of the BNB chain, yeah, the competition is rife in the layer one world. But right now, they're massively winning. 40% of all volume is going through the Binance Smart Chain. That's all you have to say. Can this hit more than 2,000? Absolutely. The question is, what do you think it can hit, guys? Let me know in the comments. Do you think this is going to get to $1 trillion market cap? I think that's a bit soon, but it is possible. Anything is in crypto. Let me know in the comments. And guys, we're in a bull cycle. And if you've got cryptos you're not happy with or confident in, get onto copymycrypto.com, have a read through the site. On the site, you will see some of the profits that my members have made. You can see their testimonials on the service they get at Copy My Crypto, along with some of my past successes. Whether it is a meme coin my members got in on that did a few hundred X in like 2 weeks, whether it is Phantom, which did nearly 700X in the last bull cycle and made some of my members millionaires. This is public record that All this information is on the old videos on this channel. You can verify it all. On the site, I share with my members the coins I own. Whenever I find a crypto that I think is going to make a ton of cash as well, like I said with all of these, I jump onto my site, I tell my members the crypto that I'm going to be buying and the price I'm going to be buying it at. So my members get in and out of coins at the same price as me, they make the same profit, and there is no work for them to do at all. And if you like what you hear and you want to find out more, you want to find out the cryptos that I think are going to be the big winners this year, all you have to do to find out about them, guys, is join up on the site. And if you do, I'll see you there. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.